The story of humanity is a story of looking up. Since the dawn of time, our eyes have searched the heavens, seeking meaning and inspiration in the endless tapestry above us. For millennia, the stars inspired myths, guiding explorers and dreamers alike. They became the backdrop for our greatest legends and the compass for our earliest journeys. In the last century, we turned dreams into reality with rockets that defied gravity. The impossible became possible as humanity broke free from Earth's embrace, reaching for the unknown. Today, a new chapter begins, not just from old launch pads but from new frontiers and innovative minds. The spirit of exploration is alive in ways our ancestors could only imagine. Enter LandSpace, a private Chinese company making headlines with a rocket powered by liquid methane, a fuel that represents the next leap in rocket technology. This isn't just another launch, it's a signal that the race to space is more diverse and innovative than ever. New players are rewriting the rules and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The cosmos is vast, and now, more players from every corner of the world are joining the journey. The dream of space is no longer limited to a few nations, it's becoming a truly global pursuit. LandSpace's Juque 2 rocket is a symbol of this new era, showing that exploration thrives wherever curiosity and determination exist. It's proof that innovation knows no borders. The sky is no longer the limit, it's the beginning of a shared adventure. Each launch brings us closer together as a species, united by our desire to reach beyond. Let's explore why methane is the rocket fuel of the future, and what LandSpace's success means for the world. This breakthrough could change how we travel to the stars. We'll meet the minds behind the mission, and see how this breakthrough impacts the global space community. Their passion and expertise are driving humanity's next giant leap. This is more than a story about technology. It's about the relentless pursuit of progress, the courage to innovate, and the power of collaboration. It's about human ingenuity, a shared dream, and the next steps into the star-filled unknown. Together we are writing the next chapter of our cosmic journey. The journey to the stars is no longer a distant hope. It's happening now, unfolding before our very eyes with every new launch and discovery. And it's just getting started. The future of space exploration is bright, and the adventure has only begun. What's the fuel making waves in rocketry? In the quest to reach farther and faster, engineers are constantly searching for the perfect propellant, one that's powerful, efficient, and reliable. Enter methane, the main component of natural gas, and a rising star in the world of rocket fuels. When cooled to a liquid and mixed with liquid oxygen, methane transforms into a powerful rocket propellant, capable of producing immense thrust to lift rockets skyward. For decades, rockets relied on kerosene or liquid hydrogen, each with their own set of major drawbacks and engineering challenges. Kerosene, while energy-dense, is dirty, leaving behind sooty residue that clogs engines, increases maintenance, and complicates efforts to reuse expensive rocket parts. Liquid hydrogen, on the other hand, burns clean, but is notoriously difficult to store, requiring extremely cold temperatures and bulky, heavily insulated tanks that add weight and complexity. Methane strikes a balance, offering a cleaner burn than kerosene, and being much easier to handle and store than hydrogen, making it a practical choice for modern rocketry. Its clean combustion means engines stay cleaner, making them easier and faster to refurbish and reuse. A true game changer for rapid, affordable launches and the future of commercial spaceflight. Methane's higher boiling point and greater density allow for simpler, lighter, and more compact fuel tanks, reducing overall rocket mass and improving efficiency. This Goldilocks fuel is just right for the next generation of rockets, balancing performance, practicality, and sustainability. It's not just about raw power, it's about making spaceflight more practical, more sustainable, and truly ready for humanity's next great adventures beyond Earth. Methane is the key to rockets that can take us not just to orbit but to other worlds, unlocking the door to interplanetary travel and the future of human exploration. Methane's impact goes beyond clean engines, it's transforming the economics of space. Reusable rockets are the holy grail, and methane makes them possible by keeping engines clean and ready for rapid turnaround. Lower launch costs mean more satellites, more science, and more access for countries and companies worldwide. Methane democratizes space, opening it to a broader community of explorers and innovators. But methane's biggest promise lies on Mars. The Martian atmosphere and ice can be used to make methane fuel for the return trip, a concept called in situ resource utilization. Designing rockets for methane now means we're preparing for Mars missions from the start. LandSpace and others are laying the groundwork for interplanetary travel. Every methane launch on Earth is a step toward human footprints on another world. The future of space is being built, one clean-burning engine at a time. LandSpace is a standout in China's new wave of private space companies. Founded in 2015, it emerged as government policy shifted to allow private innovation in space. LandSpace aimed high from the start, targeting powerful liquid-fueled rockets instead of small solid ones. Led by Zhang Changwu and a team with deep aerospace experience, they blended private agility with technical expertise. Their first rocket, Zhuque-1, failed to reach orbit, but the lessons learned fueled their next, bolder project. They pivoted to methane engines, leapfrogging to next-generation technology. This risk-taking spirit defines LandSpace, a company willing to innovate and lead. They represent a new, nimble model for China's space industry. LandSpace's journey proves that world-class achievements can come from anywhere. They're not just building rockets, they're building a new paradigm for space exploration. Their success inspires a new generation of engineers and dreamers. LandSpace is redefining what's possible in the global space race. The Zhuque-2 rocket, named after a mythological firebird, is LandSpace's crowning achievement. It's a medium-lift vehicle powered by 4 advanced Methalox engines. The first launch in December 2022 made history as the world's first methane-powered orbital attempt. The rocket's first stage performed flawlessly, but a second stage issue prevented reaching orbit. Instead of defeat, LandSpace saw opportunity, analyzing data, fixing problems, and preparing for another try. In July 2023, Zhuque-2 soared again, this time reaching orbit and delivering its payload. LandSpace became the first to launch a methane-fueled rocket into orbit, outpacing American rivals. This wasn't just a technical win, it validated their vision and resilience. Zhuque-2's success established LandSpace as a leader in next-gen launch tech. It marked the moment methane rockets moved from theory to reality. A private Chinese company changed the commercial space landscape. The world took notice. At the core of Zhuque-2 is the TQ-12 engine, a marvel of engineering. Developed in-house, it's a gas generator cycle engine burning liquid methane and oxygen. Each TQ-12 produces 80 tons of thrust, with 4 powering the rocket's first stage. Thousands of hours of testing led to a robust, reliable design. Crucially, the TQ-12 was built for reusability from the start, combining proven design with methane's clean burn. This means less maintenance and faster turnaround between flights. The TQ-12 is LandSpace's greatest technical achievement, placing them among the world's top launch providers. Building such an engine from scratch is a rare feat. It's not just an engine, it's a foundation for LandSpace's future ambitions. The TQ-12 is a statement, LandSpace is here to stay. LandSpace isn't stopping with Zhuque-2. The Zhuque-3 is already in development. This heavy-lift rocket will be fully reusable, designed to carry larger payloads and potentially people. Like SpaceX's Falcon 9, Zhuque-3's first stage will land back on Earth for reuse. It will use advanced Methalox engines and be built from stainless steel for strength and cost-effectiveness. This pragmatic design keeps costs low and performance high. LandSpace is already testing key technologies, including vertical takeoff and landing. These hopper tests help perfect the guidance and control needed for pinpoint landings. Zhuque-3 will put LandSpace among the elite companies enabling routine, low-cost access to space. It's a bold step toward a future where space is open to all. The next era of exploration is taking shape now. LandSpace's success sends ripples across the global space industry. The space race is no longer just the US and Russia, new players are driving innovation worldwide. Competition pushes everyone to be faster, smarter, and more ambitious. American companies like Blue Origin and Relativity Space are racing to develop their own methane rockets. This global push creates a rich ecosystem of ideas and solutions. More launch providers mean more affordable, frequent access to space for science and business. A robust launch market benefits everyone, from satellite startups to universities. LandSpace's achievement is a reminder that talent knows no borders. Every new rocket expands the frontier for all of humanity. The cosmic story is now truly global. We live in a remarkable era, an age where the impossible is slowly becoming possible and the mysteries of the universe are closer than ever before. The dream of reaching the stars, once confined to science fiction and imagination, is now becoming reality before our very eyes. LandSpace's Zhuque 2 is a milestone, not just for China, but for all of humanity, a symbol of what we can achieve when we dare to reach higher. Methane rockets represent a leap forward, offering more sustainable, affordable, and frequent access to space than ever before. Imagine a future where launching a satellite is within anyone's reach, where students, entrepreneurs, and dreamers can send their ideas into orbit, and Mars is truly within our grasp. Methane is the key unlocking these possibilities, and LandSpace has turned it, opening doors to new frontiers and opportunities. As LandSpace develops Zhuque 3, and competitors around the world push their own limits, the pace of discovery accelerates, driving innovation at an unprecedented rate. This healthy competition will spark new technologies, create entire industries, and inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers to dream even bigger. The quest for space brings out our best, challenging us to solve hard problems, to work together, and to unite in a common goal that transcends borders. So keep looking up, stay curious, and watch the next launch, wherever it happens, because each one is a testament to human ingenuity and hope. Each launch is a step forward in our shared journey to the stars, a journey we all take together, no matter where we are. LandSpace's Methane rocket is a beacon lighting the way forward, guiding us toward a future filled with possibility. The best is yet to come, and together we will reach for the stars.